going to add my spices. I have added 1 spoon of turmeric, 1 spoon of black pepper, 1 spoon of cumin, 1 spoon of red chili, 1 spoon of salt. I'm going to add my tomato right now. Right now I'm going to add my carrot, coriander leaves and chili. I'm going to add half Maggi. Right now I'm going to add water because I need to make sauce. Right now I'm going to add water and cook my sauce. Oh guys, I forgot to tell you, I also added ginger with garlic. I'm going to cover it and cook it. My meat stew is ready right now, guys. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for subscribing. Those ones who have not yet subscribed,